Hello, good morning all. Welcome to the online class. So we are continuing with A inverse, okay? So here is the another type of question where you have to solve something equation, okay? Question is like this. Solve complete the equation, okay? Using matrix or using matrix method. Whenever this type of equations are given and you are asked to find out or you are asked to solve this particular question, then you have to apply inverse method, okay? So linear equation is given. Linear equation means when there is only equation having no power छ भने quadratic equation भएछ, okay? So 2x square यस्तो छ भने, so there is no square, no power square, so this is what linear equation. Linear equation में दिएको छ, you are asked to find what? You are asked to find or you are asked to solve this equation भन्यो भने चाहिँ हामीले एउटा कुरा हेर्नुस्, ax is equal to d. ax into d को फर्ममा योलाई ल्याउनु पर्छ, ओके? ax d को फर्ममा यो इक्वेसनलाई ल्याएर we have to solve using matrix method, okay? So where a भनेको चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ a is equal to this matrix of coefficient भन्छ, 2 -3 4, यसमा केही कोफिसिएन्ट छैन भने यसमा -1 हुन्छ, सो माइनस छ, त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I have written what? I have written this thing -1. So this is a, okay? This is matrix of coefficient. यो यसको कोफिसिएन्ट यो हो, यसको 3 हो, 4 यो, त्यहाँदेखि d means matrix, column matrix of unknown भन्छ, ओके? यहाँ x र y निकाल्नु पर्छ खासैमा यो इक्वेसनमा. So sorry, I'm talking about d, no? D means this matrix, column matrix of known. Column matrix of known is 3 and 11, okay? 3 and 11. This one is 3 and your x, capital X is what? Column matrix of unknown भन्छ. यहाँ x र y छ, x र y, x and y. So what you have to find out is you have to find the value of x and value of y eventually. With the given equation you have to find the value of x and y. So यसको लागि चाहिँ ax and d को फर्ममा निकाल्नु पर्छ. So if you find x, then you will automatically find x and y value, okay? So you have to try to find value of x here, okay? So value of x कसरी निकाल्ने, त्यसको लागि चाहिँ what you have to do is you just convert this x लाई यहाँ राखिदिएर यो a लाई उता लादा inverse of a हुन्छ, d, okay? A inverse of d. So you need x actually here. For that you require to find a inverse and d. D is given, d is this thing, these two, okay? If you find a inverse you can easily find x, so you require a inverse, okay? So solution I am writing, okay? So a inverse is equal to, you know the formula, a delta a, this is determinant, adjoint of a. You require delta a, that is determinant and adjoint of a, okay? So let us find determinant. Determinant a is equal to this thing, 2 minus 3 4 minus 1, okay? 2 1 ja minus 2, right? Minus formula go 3 into 2, this 12 minus 12, right? So it will be minus 2 plus 12, it will be 10. So this 10 is not is equal to 0. not is equal to 0. So you have to write therefore A inverse exists. A inverse what? Exist. Okay. So you found the value of determinant, that is 10. Now you have to find adjoint of A. You have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means what? Cofactors. When you transpose the cofactors of element, you will find adjoint of A. Okay, for that you need cofactors of elements. Now, cofactors. Cofactors of elements. Cofactors of elements. All the elements. Okay. First one is what? Cofactor of what? Which cofactor of element? Cofactor of element 1 1. Okay, 1 1. This is your simply is equal to -1 I plus j. I is 1, j is 1. इसको खाली ये मात्रै हुन्छ -1. Okay, so it will be +1 in bracket -1 is equal to -1, right? Is equal to -1. So cofactor of element, this thing 1 2 is equal to -1 1 plus 2 in bracket. Okay, which one? 4. It will be -1 into -4. -1 into 4 is equal to -4, right? So cofactor of element 2 1 is equal to -1 2 plus 1 इसको गर्दाखेरि -3 is equal to -1 into -3 is equal to 3, right? Okay, in the same way cofactor of element 2 2 is equal to -1 2 plus 2, this one is 2 is equal to plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So you got all the cofactors of element, right? Cofactors of element. Cofactors of elements are which one? This thing -1 -4 then 3 and 2. Okay, now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, just transpose these cofactors, -1 3 -4 2. This is your what? Adjoint of A. This is your adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A is -1 3 -2 -4 2. Now since you found adjoint of A, you can easily find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant is 10 into -1 3 -4 2. Okay, -4 2. So it will be how much? -1 by 10, 3 by 10. Okay, 4 by 10, 2 by 10. Okay, minus. So this is your adjoint A inverse. This is your what? A inverse. So you found the A inverse. Now you can easily find x. X is equal to A inverse D, right? So you know A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 10, right? 1 by 10 and 3 by 10, right? Then what? Three by 10 minus 4 by 10, 2 by 10, right? D is what? 3 by 11. Okay, 3 by 11. Now you have to multiply this. Okay. This is conformable for multiplication? Yes, because same number of columns in this is equal to number of rows. Okay, number of columns is equal to number of rows. So you can easily multiply now. So this and this. Okay, right? So minus 3 by 10, okay, plus this and this, 33 by 10, 33 by 10, solvability 14, minus 12 by 10, then 22 plus 22 by 10, 22 by what? 10. Okay. So when you further this thing, multiply this, it will be how much? 30 over 30 by 10, simplify गरेर मुनि चाहिँ कति हुन्छ? This thing 20 by 10. So it will be 3, here mathematics 2. Okay, so value of x, you found value of x and y. Okay, so x is equal to, you know that you found x, capital X is equal to 3 by 2. So you know that x is equal to x and y. So your values are 3 and 2. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. This is how you have to solve this. Okay, just another question from the equations. Okay, solve the equation by matrix method. Equation is given, you have to apply matrix method to solve this equation. Okay, so whenever a linear equation is given and you have to apply matrix method to solve, then you have to make this equation like this: ax into d, right? So here d is your, a is your coefficient of matrix, that is 1, y is 1, z is 1, because nothing is given, that is you have to assume 1, 2 minus 1, 3, 3, 2 minus 1. This is what? Your a. Then your x is equal to column matrix of unknown variable, that is x, y, z. Okay. Then d is column matrix of known, that is this one, 4, 1, 1. Okay, 4, 1, 1. Now ax into d, you know that you have to find x, so you keep here, you take a other side, that will be a inverse into d. So you can find a inverse now. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta A into what? Adjoint of A. Okay, you require A, this you can find this. So we are finding delta A is equal to 1 1 1 2 minus 1 3 3 2 minus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 1 2 3 minus 1 formula ko. Okay, 2 3 3 minus 1 plus 1 कसरी आयो यो चाहिँ प्रिभियस भिडियो हेर्नु 1 2 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so you can 1 into 1 1 plus 1 minus plus minus 6 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 9, then plus 1 4 minus plus 3. So it will be minus 5 into 1 minus 5 minus 1 into this thing is 11, no, 9 11 minus plus 11 plus 7 7 into 1 7. So it will be 18 minus 5 is equal to 13, which is not is equal to 0. Okay, so delta is determinant is 13, which is not is equal to 0. That means what? A inverse exists. Therefore A inverse exists. Okay, when A inverse exists, now you have to find adjoint of A. For that you need cofactors. Cofactors of elements. Okay, first cofactor of element 1 1. Okay, that is minus 1 I plus j 1 plus 1 into this thing minus 1 3 2 minus 1. So it will be plus 1 1 1 1 minus 6. So it will be minus 5. So likewise you have to find cofactors of all the elements. So you know how to find. I will just write down the cofactors of element from the book. You have to find out by yourself now. Okay, I'll just copy from book. Okay, so cofactors of element, cofactor of element from first row, okay, are minus 5 11 7. Cofactors of elements from second row are 3 minus 4 11. Then cofactor of elements from third row are 4 minus 1 and minus 3. Okay, so you know you found all the cofactors you found. Okay, now you can find adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A, adjoint of what? A is equal to transpose of cofactor. Okay, when you transpose the cofactor, it will be 5 3 4 11 minus 4 minus 1 7 1 minus 3. Okay, this is what adjoint of A. You found the adjoint of A. Now you can easily find A inverse. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant is how much? 13. So your adjoint of A is minus 5, 3, 4, 11, minus 4, minus 1, 7, 1, minus 3. Okay. So you found A inverse. Now you can easily find X. X is equal to A inverse is 1 by 13 into 5 minus 5, 3, 4, 11, minus 4, minus 1, 7, 1, minus 3 into your D is 4, 1, 1. You know that. Okay. So when you multiply this and this, it will be further. It will be further how much? 1 by 13 into minus 13, 39 and 26. Okay. You have to do this multiplication of matrix. You know that. So it will be how much? You divide this 1. Okay, minus 1. This thing is 3. This thing is 2. So x, capital X is minus 1, 3 and 2. So x, therefore x, y, z are minus 1, 3 and 2. So this is how you can find or you can solve equations in an equation using matrix method. Hope you understood this. Thank you.